Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a manual backup save in Pokémon Legends ZA. Alright, let's begin. In Pokémon Legends ZA, you can manually create a backup save directly inside the game. To do this, visit any Pokémon Center and heal your Pokémon, even if they have not taken any damage. Healing at the center automatically creates a backup save point. This step is important for activities like shiny hunting, berry crafting, and stat rerolling, where reverting progress can save a lot of time. After creating the backup, save your game normally and close it completely. To access the backup save, relaunch the game while holding up on the D-pad and pressing the B and X buttons at the same time. A prompt will appear asking if you want to start from backup data. Confirm the message, keeping in mind that any progress made after the backup was created will be erased. Once loaded, you will return to the Pokémon Center where the backup was made. Whenever you catch a shiny or get a result you want to keep, heal your Pokémon immediately to create a fresh backup save. So that's basically how you can make a manual backup save in Pokémon Legends ZA. That's it for this video. Thanks.